In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text on monday.com. If you've ever worked on a board in monday.com and noticed that some text gets cut off or only shows part of the content inside a column, wrapping text can make things much easier to read. This is especially helpful when you're dealing with longer task names, notes, or other detailed entries that don't fit neatly in a single line. The good news is that turning this on is very quick. To begin, open your monday.com board and go to the column where you want the text to display more clearly. Look at the top of that column and find the three-dot menu. This is the small options menu attached to the column settings. Once you see it, click on the three dots to open the available options. When that menu appears, take a look through the list until you find the option labeled Wrap Text. This setting allows the content in that column to expand onto multiple lines instead of staying on a single line and getting visually shortened. Click on Wrap Text to enable it. As soon as you select it, the text in that column should become easier to read because longer entries will now wrap within the available space. This gives you a better view of your information without needing to open each item individually just to read the full text. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference when you're reviewing a busy board. If you use boards with lots of written details, this feature can help improve readability and make scanning information more efficient. It's also useful when you're collaborating with a team and want everyone to see the full content more clearly at a glance. Keep in mind that wrap text is a display setting for the column, so if you want the same effect in other columns, you may need to repeat the same process there as well. Just open the three-dot menu on the column you want to adjust and turn on Wrap Text. And that's all there is to it. That's how you wrap text on monday.com.